Hello everyone. Now we are going to see small discourse profile writing. Let me clarify what is a profile. A profile is a short article or detailed description of a particular person. In short, profile means detailed description of a particular person or information about a particular person. Especially, profile provides basic information about a particular person. A profile contains name of the person, date of birth, career, nationality, occupation, education, special contribution, main personality trait, information about family, awards and achievements, etc. Now we are going to discuss types of profiles. There are various types of profiles, but here we are going to discuss two types of profiles. One, tabular profile and two, paragraph profile. First one is tabular profile. Tabular profile is in table format or tabular format, whereas paragraph profile is in paragraph. This profile is in 2 or 3 paragraphs. It is a short description. Let's discuss some important points. While writing any kind of profile, we must keep in our mind some important points. Those are given here. Let's discuss them. Point number 1. Collect the essential information about the person. Before writing profile, we must collect some information about that particular person from the sources such as from books, newspaper or internet. Second point is draw a table and insert information. If we are going to write tabular profile, then we must draw a table and insert information whatever we collected from the different sources regarding to that particular person. For example, if we want to write information or to make the profile of Sachin Tendulkar, then we must collect some information about Sachin Tendulkar and we must write it in tabular or paragraph format. If we want to write such kind of information in tabular format, then we must draw the table and insert information whatever we collected about Sachin Tendulkar in the tabular format. That is called the tabular profile. Point number 3. If profile is in paragraph format, write information in 2 to 3 paragraphs. If we want to write information or profile in paragraph format, we must collect information from different sources and then write that information into paragraphs. At least 2 to 3 paragraphs. One should not write information very lengthy. One must write information within only 2 to 3 paragraphs because it is a short description about the particular person. Therefore, it is known as small discourse. Point number 4. Information should be short. Just as I told to you already, one must write information in short within only 2 to 3 paragraphs. Now we are going to discuss format of profile writing. First one is name, 2. Profession, 3. Date of birth, 4. Family, 5. Education and occupation, 6. Nationality, 7. Special contribution, 8. Awards and honors. Let's see one example of profile writing. Complete Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's profile in tabular format. Let's examine the profile of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam in tabular format. Here is given one table. There are 2 columns. First column points, second column details of the person. Point number 1 title. Title is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Second point, profession. Profession, missile scientist. Third point, branch of science, physics and aerospace engineering. Point 4, important position, 11th President of India. And fifth point, visions, freedom, development and standing up to the rest of the world. Students, here are given only 5 points because this question is given in textbook. As per the text, we have given answer here, but students, you must use all the points, those are given in format, and you have to make new profile of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam in tabular format as well as paragraph format. Now I would like to give one question in assignment for practice. Write the profile of Sachin Tendulkar in tabular as well as paragraph format. In this way, today we have seen profile writing. Thank you.